Hey, welcome to Car Channel Help. My name is Tim. I've got a video channel called Rust Revival Garage, but my full-time day job is actually I'm an internet marketer. I do digital marketing for a living. So one of the things I try to do is provide help so that your videos can be found, you can grow your car channel. And today we're going to talk a little bit about tags. What are they and how do they help? If you can, subscribe to this channel if you've got a car show that's on YouTube, and I'm going to keep providing as many videos as I can to help you get more subscribers, to get more views, to get more likes, comments, all of that kind of thing, and grow your channel. So let's get to it. Okay, so today we're going to talk about tags. What are tags? It's basically a search engine optimization term. It's sort of like, you might also hear keywords. And what you're doing with keywords is telling YouTube and even Google, which owns YouTube, what the video is about. Google, the search engine, and YouTube, the search engine, can't see your video. They actually don't know what it's about. So it's very helpful for you to add tags to each of your videos. These are the things that people might search for. So if you make a video on how to rebuild an engine, the tag would be rebuilding a small block engine, or rebuilding an engine rebuilding 101, terms that somebody might search for in the Google search bar or in the YouTube search bar. So let's just go ahead and start out on your YouTube Studio. Hopefully you know about YouTube Studio. And you can just select one of your content videos. This case, for example, we'll take a look at my one video called Installing a Voltmeter Gauge and Wiring the Lights. Now, the tags, you're basically putting tags in the headline, you're putting tags in the description, but there is a section that you may not know about all the way down at the bottom of each of your videos. So once you upload it, you can add the tags, or even if you've already got a video that has already been uploaded, you can add the tags when you edit it. So you want to go down to the bottom where it says Show More. So we want to scroll down to this section where you see this box where it says Tags. Again, you can see what it says. Tags are useful if your content has something that's misspelled. It says it does have a minimal view in helping folks find it, but that's not always the case. So you can see here for my video on installing a voltmeter gauge and wiring the lights, I've put in some tags. How to install a voltmeter, installing a voltmeter, how to install gauges, voltmeter installation. You can put them in here into this tags section. For example, I'll just put in voltmeter install. And then I add a little comment after that, and that gives me a new keyword or a new tag. And I've got 305 of the 500 possible letter combinations that I can add to this tag section. Let's try one other. Installation. I'll actually do voltmeter, 2 different words. So I've got installation of volts space meter. And I've used up 334 of my 500. So I'm letting YouTube know that that's what this video is about. Wiring the gauge lights, installing a voltmeter. I'm giving it more details than I would have in the title and in the description. It's really that easy. I'm going to give you an example of what happens when you do something like this. So for this particular video, it's voltmeter gauge install and wiring the lights. Here's an example. So I did a search for installing a voltmeter. And if you scroll down, there's one video, there's 2 videos, there's a sponsored ad, 3 videos, a short, another video, and then it comes to mine. So by adding tags, I'm actually helping let YouTube know that this is what it's about. So if somebody does a search for installing a voltmeter or how to install a voltmeter, hopefully they'll find my video because I've got it in the title, I've got it in the description, and I've got it in the tags. So that's what you do with tags. And then the other great thing too is it doesn't just apply to YouTube. For example, if I do a search for installing a voltmeter on Google, if I scroll down just a little bit here, my video comes up for, installing the voltmeter. So you may not just get views from YouTube, you can also get views from Google. And that gives you more traffic to your site, helps you get more subscribers, helps you generate more revenue if you're already signed up for the partner program. Hopefully it's helpful to what it is they're looking for, and they click on it. When they click on it and they watch it, that you can actually start moving up the list. So the more people that watch your video, the more people then will come to that video, and then Google and YouTube say, hey, they found what they were looking for. So let's show this more often. Let's move this up the ranks. And, again, by having all of the correct tags in there, you're covering all your bases. So even if you spell voltmeter wrong, or you do volt, like I said, space meter, add tags to each one of your videos. And if you're not sure what you should add, just do a quick search on Google for install a voltmeter. If you look at all the suggestions that come up, install a voltmeter car, install a voltmeter, install a voltmeter gauge. It gives you suggestions of what other people are searching for. So take advantage of Google. Take advantage of what it tells you to do and what other people are looking for to get keyword ideas. Voltmeter installation motorcycle, voltmeter installation instructions, autometer voltmeter installation, car voltmeter install. There's a voltmeter instructions. That's a great one, actually. I don't have that on there, and I can put voltmeter instructions, and there's a good chance then that somebody will search that. My video will come up. I'll get more views, and the video will do well. I'll get more subscribers. I'll get more likes, maybe some more comments, and I'll move up the ranks. So that's my tip for you on every time you upload a video, and all of the videos that you've already got currently, go in there, edit each of your videos, and add tags to each one. Just scroll down, click on the show more, go down to that box, and see, I don't even have enough on this one, but go down to that box that says tags and add some tags, add some keywords that lets people know what the video is about and what you think they might use to search to find your video. So take advantage of it. I can see I've actually got some work to do. I need to go in here and add some more tags. So hopefully that's helpful. Thank you very much. I'm going to be adding more and more tips on the Car Help channel. So please subscribe if you want to help your car channel grow, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. Like the video if you got anything out of it. I truly appreciate it. Thanks very much.